ServSafe Manager Practice Test 2024 in Spanish. Question 1. Under ServSafe guidelines, minimum temperature for wash water, manual, is 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius, 110 degrees Fahrenheit 43 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 degrees Celsius. Manual wash water must be at least 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 2. What is the main goal of danger zone temperature range? 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Bacteria grow rapidly between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 3. The risk of illness from backflow prevention device is reduced by filter, vacuum breaker, pump, water heater. Vacuum breakers prevent backsiphonage. Question 4. How should a food handler manage HACCP Principle 3? Correct, verify, monitor, establish critical limits. Step 3 is setting limits, example, min temp. Question 5. Identify the correct statement about FATM. T stands for toxins and type, time and temperature, taste and texture, tension and travel. FATM, food, acidity, temperature, time, oxygen, moisture. Question 6. Under ServSafe guidelines, 3-compartment sink order is wash, sanitize, rinse, sanitize, wash, rinse, rinse, wash, sanitize, wash, rinse, sanitize. The correct order is wash, rinse, sanitize, then air dry. Question 7. Which action is necessary for minimum lighting in prep areas? 10-foot candles, 100-foot candles, 20-foot candles, 50-foot candles. Prep areas require the brightest light, 50-foot candles. Question 8. What is the critical limit for thawing in microwave? Can be stored, cool to 41, freeze, must be cooked immediately. Microwave thawed food must be cooked right away. Question 9. The primary concern with Bacillus cereus is toxin, parasite, virus, bacteria in rice/soil. B. cereus is famous for rice-linked illness. Question 10. How does temperature to receive milk affect food safety? 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius or lower, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Milk can be received at 45 degrees Fahrenheit, but must be cooled to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. Question 11. One must always check quaternary ammonium, quats, contact time for 10 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds, 5 seconds. Quats typically require 30 seconds. Question 12. When monitoring danger zone temperature range, one must look for 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Bacteria grow rapidly between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 13. In the context of food safety, high-risk population involves teenagers, healthy adults, elderly people, professional athletes. High-risk groups: elderly, preschool children, compromised immune systems. Question 14. What is the best practice for cooking temperature for ground beef? 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. Ground meats require 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 seconds. Question 15. A violation of cooking temp for mechanically tenderized meat standards occurs when 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Mechanically tenderized meat requires 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 16. In a HACCP plan, dry storage temperature might be 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Dry goods should be stored between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 17. Which is a key component of pooled eggs rule? Freeze, store at room temp, discard after 1 hour, cook immediately or store at 41. Pooled eggs require special care and 41 degrees Fahrenheit storage. Question 18. Which detail is essential for maximum water temp for thawing? 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius. Running water for thawing must be 70 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Question 19. The risk of illness from safe temperature for ground turkey is reduced by 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit. All ground poultry must be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 20. When monitoring safe temperature for steaks, one must look for 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Steaks should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit.